nature. It is an important and integral part of mankind. It is one of the greatest blessings for human life. Nature is everything we are surrounded by, like the water we drink, the air we breathe, the sun we soak in, and the bird we bear chirping, etc. It consists of both living and non living things. If nature has the ability to protect us, it is also powerful enough to destroy the entire mankind. Every form of nature, for instance, the plants, animals, rivers, mountains, moons, and more, holds equal significance for us. Absence of one element is enough to cause a catastrophe in the functioning of human life. In order to conserve nature, we must take drastic steps right away to prevent deforestation at all levels. Cutting down of trees has serious consequences in different spheres. It can cause soil erosion easily and also bring a decline in rainfall on a major level. And third, polluting oceans water must be strictly prohibited by all industries straight away, as it causes a lot of water shortage and etc. So, the nature has a powerful transformative power which is responsible for the functioning of life on earth. That is why we all have to save it together. It is our ultimate duty. So thank you so much for watching.